Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to use instant search to discover content with fewer keystrokes. So using instant search on Netflix or any other platform to discover content with fewer keystrokes involves leveraging real-time results, specialized keyword searches, and specific genre codes to bypass long scrolling sessions. The platform is designed to show results as soon as you start typing, with many users finding content with as few as 3 characters on TV interfaces. Here is how to use instant search efficiently. Here are a few ways on how to use instant search efficiently. The first one is keyword and contextual searching. Instead of typing in the full title, type a few letters or a combination of keywords. Netflix's search engine is designed to handle short, quick queries. Sometimes you can also try searching through the actors or directors. You can also try searching through different genres by typing in the words like scary, romantic, hidden gems, or documentaries. Also, Netflix lets you type specific Netflix lets you find movies and videos with specific subgenres, like by using terms like 90-minute long movies to get tailored content suggestions immediately. The other thing that can be really helpful to you is using filters and tags. Refine searches by selecting TV shows or movies. You can also use sub-filters. You can also use sub-filters with specific options like Trending Now, Netflix Originals, or recently added to narrow down the search results list. Now these are some ways. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.